Alright, I'm here. Alright.
Make sure you turn your lights off in your room. So
Well, I'm in my living room, so.
Well, turn the lights off and close the curtains to get in the mood. Come on, man.
So just letting you
I'm
know,
not-
you can use the compass. The compass is the square button.
The square compass helps
Yeah.
you find the nearest clue.
There you go. So
I'm not.
yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. I shit myself the first time we played. Oh shit!
Waiting for players.
The
Oh, man, we're
monster's
man, we
coming.
outside.
Oh god, I need to turn up my sensitivity.
Avoid the creature.
The monster's coming.
Okay, I lost everybody. Great.
No, I see you.
Okay.
Draft
Hey.
where you at?
Hey, Draft, how's it going?
So good.
I just noticed I have 3 fingers.
3 fingers.
Wait,
I
he's the
know where I'm
monster.
Ninja
putting
Turtle.
He's the
I
monster.
know where I'm putting them.
He is the monster,
You can
y'all.
throw it.
Oh my god. So basically, Nightbear, whenever you hear the white noise, that's when a tape is nearby. So yeah, I just grabbed
You
one,
just
but
touched my tape?
no.
Alright.
It doesn't
Alright.
tell me where you are.
That's
I
fine.
heard something.
Yeah, don't worry about that. We're good.
I heard breath.
Yeah, I think we're fucked.
see you.
He sees us.
No,
Yeah.
he can't. No, 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 no.
Come on, Nightbear, let's
please.
go. Come on, we gotta go.
I can't run.
Nightbear.
I hear one. I hear one. I
No.
think.
Why am I coughing?
Night.
I need to heal.
Wait, what was that noise? Holy shit.
Nightbear, I see you.
No, you don't. Get away
Yeah, I
from
see
me.
you.
Oh, right over here. Oh, there he is. He's
What
right
was
there.
that?
Here comes. There, we got
What
him.
was that?
He's out.
Come here!
God damn it.
Nightbear,
Nightbird,
what you gotta
shine
do
your
to
light,
save
shine your
friend?
light, shine
You
your
gotta
light,
save
shine your
friend.
light.
You gotta save him. Ah! That shit hurt him.
I'm hiding.
Hold on. I don't know where we could find another one, but hold on. I need to recharge my battery like bad. Alright. Shit.
Alright, I got freaking stuff all over my screen. I'm gonna die next time. I just heard something. Heard a machine go off. He's back behind me. He's
Uh-oh.
behind me. He's behind me.
You
He's
see him?
behind me. He's behind me.
Hi.
I can hear him.
Hey, Nightbear.
No.
How's it hanging?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh yeah. He
Okay.
jumped. He scared me. This way. It's orange.
Wait, oh my god. You're just gonna leave me? Ah! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Run,
What
fool!
happened?
I'm gonna die! No, I'm dead, bro.
That was a mistake.
Oh no, I'm not. I'm not dead.
Yeah.
That was
You're
a
not
bad
dead, right?
idea.
Oh my god.
Now I know where
there's-
you
what is
are.
this? Flashbang.
Tape.
Where'd you go?
I got one.
Oh yeah.
Ah, Jesus! God
Crap.
dang it, every time!
Wait, here I come. I don't know where you are.
I got a
but-
flashbang, dude.
There you are.
Dude,
Okay.
come right here.
Okay. Woo. Oh god.
Friendship, guys.
Oh god.
Friendship. Am I
Where'd you
right?
go?
We got it. It's fine. It's fine. I got it. It's
Okay.
fine.
How many...
It's look
Fine.
Whoa, watch out, watch out. Got him. Let's go, baby.
No!
Let's go.
Yeah, flash... I had a flashbang and I...
Let me disable it real quick for
No.
you.
No. No. No.
Why
not? I'm dead. I did. I'm right here,
I can
Nightbear.
see you.
It's
Why
fine,
am I
it's
able
fine.
to
Just
see
follow me, I'll help you.
Nightbear.
No.
Nightbear.
No.
I can hear you breathing.
Whoa.
Oh, that's where you fucked up.
What'd I do?
Oh, now I know where you are.
Okay, follow me, Nightbear. Follow me.
No, you don't. I didn't know that's what that did.
You just sealed your fate.
No. No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No.
Is there a way to heal myself?
Yeah. If you gotta find an energy bar. I hear one. I hear one.
I ate them all.
Come on. It's right
Oh, come
here.
on.
Somewhere around here.
Right here.
Yes.
Alright.
He's coming.
Jesus!
Oh, we were
God, your
close.
character is
Draft,
ugly,
did you
though.
see me scraping behind him?
No, I didn't.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I threw a
Oh.
flashbang at you.
Yeah. Flashbang?
Yeah, I had a flashbang, dude.
You mean light stick?
No, I had a flashbang. I picked up a flashbang.
Sure, it's a flashbang. 'Cause I don't know.
It said flashbang.
Alright, how do I? Hey, alright, let's do the Scooby-Doo shit now. Let's go. Let's go Night Fair. Did you piss yourself yet?
That one on pants or what?
Maybe.
No, I haven't yet. Wait, what?
We're now in St. John's Hospital.
Wait, what?
Wait, what the fuck?
What?
Jeff?
I'm not doing that again.
Um,
I'm not doing that again.
what do you mean?
Because I want to be the most.
Sir?
Wait, you're not? Wait,
No.
who are you then? No, you're a liar. You're lying. You're lying. You're absolutely
No,
lying.
I'm not lying.
Because
lying,
I can
but-
tell that he's smiling right now because he's almost laughing. It's obvious.
I'm
He's the
not.
most. Yes, he is.
I'm not lying.
Uh huh.
Fuck you! Oh Jesus Christ,
Yo,
man!
this game.
Just try to read a fucking book. God, man. You know what, Draft? You know what, Draft? You know what?
I knew he was lying. I knew he acting crazy now. Alright guys, I guess this caps off the video. This is Rogue Bros Gaming. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, 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 oh shit.
Man, this time.
Fuck you!
Dang it.
Come on. Come on, baby. Would you?
No.
I'm out.
God dang it.
I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm
I
lost.
don't even know where to go. Why
I'm
are you
just-
screaming?
I need to go. I need to get out of here. I need to get out because I'm lost.
You're behind
lost.
me, you fuck.
Oh no!
Uh,
I didn't see you.
Shut up.
I got
Shut
so
up.
scared.
Shut
I
up.
was.
I got.
Come on.
What's wrong?
Where the hell? Where am I?
Man,
Where am I?
stop!
Where am I?
Stop scaring us. Talking
No,
about
I
what's
actually
wrong.
don't know what's happening. I literally
Draft?
don't know what's happening.
Draft, where'd you go?
I just
Draft!
all I did was use a I used power. What did the power do? What's happening?
Oh, where the fuck you go? Shut up. Okay, okay, this way, over there. Yeah, right there.
Yes, yes.
Over there, right there.
What are you guys? What?
I hear something.
That's the telephone.
Be a monster. Ah!
Come on. Where you at? Where you at? Where you
Fuck
at?
are you?
Oh
I
my
don't even
God.
know where you guys
Where
are.
are you at, you sick motherfucker?
I don't know. Where are you?
Don't worry about it. Oh, Draft, this way, this way. Stay
Monster
away, Bill
experience for me,
Cosby.
Because
Kids today.
okay, this is pretty bad.
Alright, I think it's over here
gameplay
to the
for
left,
me,
to the left.
because I don't know where you guys are.
He's coming.
Over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here.
I generally don't know where you all are.
That's literally
Shut
shit.
your mouth, you're playing games. You're playing games.
Yeah, that's why. I don't even talk to him. I just ignore him. Like whatever. I'm playing the game.
I don't know where
'Cause
you are. You know where we are, you sick cuck.
I really
No,
don't
over
know
here,
where
over
you are.
here.
No, bull.
Somewhere. This way, this
Well,
way, this
I'm
way.
in a library now. Well,
Yeah.
Shut your mouth, you're lying.
Until we see the footage at the end of the game, then okay, I hear one.
Yeah, I hear it. It's on the other side of this wall right here.
Oh, it's right around here. Right around this corner. Right around
I
this corner.
hear it right there, man.
Yeah, I don't.
Where are you all?
Bull. Bull!
Shut up. Shut up.
I'm
I
not
hear it.
lying. What noise? I generally like.
Stay alive. Stay alive. This way. Where the fuck you? No, come back. Come back. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, okay. Oh shit! What happened? What happened? Okay, drop. Come here. Okay, fine. Let's go this way then.
I'm just.
Keep going this way.
I just can't even.
Nightmare, you are the worst.
I need to face cam this because this was. I literally almost
And
hopped
like
out of
in
my
the
seat.
scariest? And like the scariest or what?
You know what I mean.
I generally don't know what you're.
Oh.
Get it.
Yeah.
Nice. 3 more. We need 3 more. Oh.
I'm gonna stop laughing like that. Okay. Playing game seriously. Serious time.
I hear something. I hear it. Got it. Dude, okay, Josh. Yeah. I need to. Shut up. I need to recharge my thing soon because it's almost dead. What the?
Oh! He dropped us!
Let's go!
Are you
Josh,
kidding me? I'm trying. There we go.
God dang.
I thought you died. Did you die? Yeah, you. Okay, no.
No, you sat there watching me.
No,
die.
literally, no. My flashlight was on. I was like trying to hit him with it. Nothing was happening.
Well, I don't hear nothing. All I hear is a tape.
Shut your mouth.
No,
You hear
fuck
everything, don't you?
Well,
Okay,
I hear
I-
everything
there's
that
something
I'm
this
doing.
way.
I don't know what you
Yeah.
guys are doing.
Josh, come back. Josh. Oh, never mind. Up there, yeah. I
God
mean.
damn it.
Up there.
Shut. Hey. He doesn't know.
You know, yeah, you're right. I actually don't know.
Okay.
What? Well, that's straight.
Nothing.
He kind of thought. It doesn't matter. It's stupid. Got me fucked up. This way.
R1.
I see. Wait. What? The compass is that way. What? Okay. Maybe. Come here. The compass said something this way, but it
No, we
turned.
gotta go. No. You gotta go around the corner. That's what it means.
Yeah, I know. That's.
Oh. Right here. Man, fuck this shit, bro.
This is fucked up. I don't like it.
Okay.
Shit.
God, this is gonna be some epic.
Help, help.
Why do you keep screaming?
Watch out. I was just checking if he was coming.
Okay, there's a thing this way. Yeah. This way. Josh, you gotta protect me. I'm about to fucking die.
Alright, that's fine. Alright, here, I'll let you
That's
lead then.
fine.
I'll let you lead. That's why. Hold on.
This way. Have we been here?
My compass is almost done. I'll let you use yours first, and then I'll use mine later.
Yeah. Sniper, I don't like how I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, why?
Oh, it's over that way.
Yeah, he's
Oh,
coming,
look,
bro.
circle.
He's coming, bro.
It's let's make a you know what over here. You can even say which direction. I don't trust your ass.
Yep.
My light is about to die, man.
Yeah, I know. I just.
Wait, what the fuck? What the hell? Ooh.
It's here somewhere. No, we gotta. We can.
Protect me. Don't let me die. What the fuckity fuck?
What happened?
Draft? Oh yeah.
What are you guys doing?
That's so fucked up.
What the fuck did I do? I did a fucking draft. Where'd you go? Draft. Where'd you go?
Right here.
Oh, okay. I just did. Oh, we gotta do the thing. The thing.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm just, yeah, I know. I'm just really nervous.
Shit. Whoa, I don't like this. Draft. Draft, my light.
I'm going.
It's a draft. My light is about to die.
Mine is already.
Yes.
Dead.
I need it. Oh,
Yeah, my
okay.
mind
We
is
solved. We got. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm staying by this. No, fuck that.
Oh my God! What is?
Draft. No, get off of him! Oh shit! Be gone!
You gotta follow these things, wherever that is.
No, let's just fucking book
Guys
it now.
can't
Oh, we're
stay
going.
running
Go.
for long.
I'm trying to.
Yes, the fuck we
I
can!
can't. I'm gonna die, bro. This is
Draft,
not good.
come on. Onward.
I'm trying to. I'm trying.
Onward! Come on, Draft. We can't give up
coming.
now.
No, I'm coming. I'm really trying. It's just my dude is as slow as molasses. Like, we're trying to get out of here, but come on. There we go. Here we go.
What? Well,
The guy keeps
Where'd
showing
you
up.
go? Draft, where'd you go?
Wait, no. I'm right here. I see the thing. You have to come where I am. Hold on. Let me get my light on. It's literally about to die. So you need to get my light. See my light. Where are you? Oh man, you're done for. We're all dead. Cause I can't find you. But we're on the other side.
Alright.
I did something! I don't know what I'm doing!
Yeah, I don't know either. It's just this
Won't
is
be
just,
doing it for long.
Fuck you!
he put it.
Oh, Jeff, that's you. I thought I shit myself. Ah! Oh! Oh! Fuck you. Get away from me. Get away! Get out! Well, I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
What the hell?
I don't even know what the goal of the game is, honestly.
Right.
I think like as the last like clue, you have to destroy something in order to get the last tape. I think.
Yeah, 'cause I don't know what the fucking. Yeah, look at this motherfucker. Look.
Look,
He's
he just.
watching us. He's watching us.
Yeah.
And then for a moment, I had no idea where I was going.
Yeah, like look right here. Like he just did not know where the fuck he was, you know.
Yeah, I told you guys I had no idea where you are.
Oh, okay.
But
then
Okay.
teleported
Okay.
right to
All right.
us.
Well, look, we just had to see for ourselves. We didn't know.
Yeah, man. Holy
Player
hell,
progress.
yes.
Oh, level 2.
Level 4.
Nice.
Level 4. Never again. Anyways, draft your thing.
All right. Well,
Where-
that was fun. I'm hopping on my